My name is Robin and this is SystemFX in 1 minute. Its most unique feature is the 4 extremely strong hold positions at every 90-degree angle for doors with middle placement. For side placement, the hold positions are at 0, 90 and minus 90 degrees. Our SystemFX is highly suitable for locations where people continuously walk in and out and the door needs to remain open. Keep in mind, this is a manually operated system and must be placed in its hold position by the user. However, it will move to the nearest hold position from plus or minus 10 degrees from that point. Besides that, it functions as a free swing system. With a height of 38 millimeters and a width of 32, it fits perfectly into slim profile doors. SystemFX has weight classes ranging up to 209 kilograms. And as with all our systems, it will run effortlessly for over a century.